Episode 10 with your LA Clippers. Started in the Magic versus Bird era. Actually, I want to see if there was a trade I could do right now. Okay, they just signed him randomly. That's cool. I was going to see if I could trade Smith, but we still have 45 days on him. Alright, so what we're running with for a game plan: Stockton, Jordan Miller, Larry Johnson, Shaq, Tyrone Hill, Willie Anderson, Antonio Davis, Craig Hodges, Darnell Valentine, Dave Greenwood's even getting a little bit of minutes. Alright, and player mentorship. Okay, he still has 3 selected. Davis needs someone. What about Davis working with Tyrone Hill? Then Larry Johnson can work with Davis. Shaq can work with Larry Johnson. Willie Anderson can work with Reggie Miller. Tyrone Hill will work with Steve Johnson. Michael Jordan will work with Stockton. Stockton will probably just return the favor and work with Jordan. I know Jordan's already being used, but I know it. Eric Smith, I guess. And that's it. We're gonna hop into, actually we'll check our contract, see if there's any signings we can do first. No. So we're gonna hop into the season. We did a big off season, doing a lot of big trades, a lot of movements. But hopefully we're on the way to a championship. Bringing in Johnson and of course Shaq, I think that's gonna be the big difference maker. We're gonna have that. We're gonna be able to really dominate. Yeah, I'm hoping with that, with the team we got now, we can actually start dominating the NBA and not just take one championship, but I want to go after a lot of championships with this team, and I think we finally have the team that can do it. So far we're 30-8, looking great. Obviously there was some things we wanted to do, some things we wanted to upgrade. And that was our shooting guard. We're going to see if we're going to get lucky with some shooting guards here. Oh, we might be able to get lucky here. Craig, okay, so we got him. That was a big signing for us. And we could also go after Larry Drew. Or Michael Adams, we can just pick him back up. Which is what we'll probably do. We gotta do some trades. So trade finder. Okay, so we can't do nothing with him. Is there anyone in the world that wants him? We could trade Greenwood too. And Steve Johnson. Because we can kind of upgrade everything. Okay, let's just... No one wants Derek Smith. What about Derek Smith and Greenwood? What about Derek Smith and a second unprotected? Derek Smith's that bad, eh? We only have him for this year anyway. Can we trade Greenwood and Johnson and that point guard? Can't trade the point guard, yes. Alright, that is an upgrade at center. Anthony Bowie. You know what? We'll do that. We're gonna do that trade. We're gonna waive him, and we're gonna waive King. Actually, we'll see if, yeah, we're gonna waive King. Alright, so now we can get that good backup point guard finally in Michael Adams. And we need actually we're pretty good right now. Greg Kite's actually a decent upgrade. So yeah, we'll run it like this. And then Hill's still the 6-man. Anderson, or actually Hill upgraded. He was the 7, now he's the 6. Anderson the 7, Davis the 8, Elo the 9, Adams the 10, Valentine isn't getting minutes. I'd much rather give these guys more minutes, and Miller a little, and no, Larry Johnson. And of course, as soon as I do all those moves, that happens. Craig Hodges is back. Davis is back. Hodges is hurt again. Hodges is back again. Got no more contract extensions to do. Michael Jordan is first. We'll adjust his minutes. Larry Johnson's hurt before playoffs. Hopefully he can come back. Yes, he does. David Robinson MVP. Shaq Rookie of the Year. There we go. Robertson 6th Player of the Year. The Dream. DOP. Kenny Anderson Most Improved. And then we got the coach and the executive of the year once again with a 59-23 record. Michael Jordan on the All-NBA third team. Michael Jordan on the All-NBA first defensive team. Shaq on the first rookie team. Actually, we have 2 rookies now. Number 1 seed once again. We better not get eliminated first round once again. That sucked. Stockton having a great season. Jordan slowing down quite a bit. Jordan's 30, Stockton's 31. So we got to start winning. Miller's 28. Larry Johnson and Davis. Davis is not starting over Shaq. Shaq's just dominant. Antonio Davis. Actually, let's give Anderson some more minutes. Those fine there. Adams is a beast. Hodges does need more minutes. Miller will run 28. Larry Johnson will run 27. Davis 23. You know what? it's like 20, 18, 16, 14. We'll give the extra minute to stock. Extra couple minutes stocking. Alright, game number 1 against the Timberwolves. We win game 1. Stocking with 30. Game 2. We're going to take that one as well. Miller 24, Adams 22. Game 3. Wolves are going to take us now with Jordan 23 points, though. Just was not enough. Are they going to tie the series on us? Dang. Shaq with 22, but it just was not enough. As they force a game 7 on us. We had a good start to this game, though, so we shouldn't lose it. Shaq with 18. And we're moving on to the second round against the LA Lakers. San Antonio versus Phoenix. New York versus Detroit. Charlotte versus Washington. Game number 1, the Battle of Los Angeles. And we take game number 1. Miller 21, Jordan with 20, Stockton with 18. Game number 2. We're going to take that one as well by 6. Shaq with 21, Jordan with 20. Game 3. We take that as well. Stockton with 27, Adams 23, Jordan with 20. Shaq's not getting a lot of rebounds right now. Game 4, can we sweep the Lakers? And we do sweep the Lakers. Jordan with 24, Stockton with 22. We're going to the conference finals against the Suns, the Knicks versus Charlotte. Game number 1 is gonna go to Phoenix by 4 points. Dang. Shaq's hurt, so we'll adjust his minutes some. Game number 2, can we get back in the series? And we do. Game 3. Could it go our way? We're running with some injuries right now, which is unfortunate. We get 2 injuries. Can we top the series with some injured players? Hopefully they come back soon. And no, we cannot tie it up. So they're up quite commanding, 3-1 on us. Davis is a little better. Hopefully that's just enough, though, to get us through. We need to win some games in a row, and we can't do it. We just can't do it. We can't perform in the playoffs. That's kind of wild. We just can't get it done in the finals. Who was that? Hall of Fame inductees, Moses Malone, jersey retirements, historic changes, league meetings, draft lottery. Got nothing really there for us. Staff signings, we need an assistant GM. Team doctor, need one of those as well. Sign. Assistant GM. We're gonna get him as well. Head to the draft. We got really nothing for us here. We'll see who the big guns are. Chris Webber, Penny Hardaway. Yeah, we got really nothing going on this draft. I don't think we got any trades we want to do either. Because if we're trading a guy, it'd be one of our big guys, and we're not trading any of them. Can't trade Davis. I'm just curious. No one would have the assets to even come after them. What about Miller? Orlando Woldridge. Kenny Smith. Herbert Short. The 4th overall on the future first. Terry Cummins. No real good trade offers for him. Yeah, we can't trade him. I'm not trading Shaq either, but we're just seeing if there's any stupid trade offers for him. I think the team we got is a team we can run with, but we'll take our draft pick. You know, Sam Castle wouldn't be bad. Get us that young point guard to come in. And we'll take him, I guess. Not sure if we're actually going to sign him. Rookie signings, we are going to sign Castle. We're not signing Rollins. We're going to accept all these. Qualifying offers, we got none to make. We'll check out the roster. So we need a backup point guard, backup shooting guard, backup small forward. We got our power forwards, we got our centers. I guess we're gonna go after Sam Barber. Willie Anderson. And Morris Cheeks. Okay, so there is some centers and power forward options. We can bring in a decent backup center, or a third option center, I guess. Actually, we could go after Greg Kite as well. And then this is when we could move Davis, maybe. Try to get a backup shooting guard out of him. Harold Miner. That wouldn't be bad. I do that. We're gonna do that trade. Alright, now let's check out the roster. So Stockton, Cheeks, Castle, Jordan, Miner, Barber, Miller, Anderson, Johnson, Hill, Shaq, Rasmussen, Kite. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Any contracts we can go through? Alright, so Stockton will resign Reggie Miller and Tyrone Hill. So Stockton is making 3.7 next year. He wants a big jump. It would be worth it still to give it to him. We need to get it down some. 4.4 for another 3 years, so it'll be 35. I think it's gonna be worth it. And Miller, give him a little bit of a bird deal still. Actually, yeah, Miller has 1 more year left, so we could start fronting. We'll get a little bit of a raise, and then it goes down. In the next one.